Ciao. Your pizza? It sucks.
My pizza?
Yes, your pizza. But it does not have to be. With the power of Ooni.
Ooni? What's an Ooni?
You know what an Ooni is. Yeah, you do. Ooni is a personal portable pizza oven. But it is more than just a pizza oven. It is a gateway to love, to romance, to travel, to adventure, to purpose in life. It is also a pizza oven.
Sounds complicated.
It's not, jerk. It is a hole with fire inside. But it is not just any hole, because this hole becomes almost 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But what does that mean for you and your pizza? Perfection. You know the saying, see Naples and die? Well, it should be eat an Ooni and cry, because it's just like being in Naples. It's so good.
But making your own pizza is so time consuming.
Cretino! Who is this guy? You turn on the Ooni, you put the toppings on the pizza. You put the pizza in the Ooni, 60 seconds later, you put the Ooni pizza in your mouth. Do I have to eat it for you too? Strons.
That means anytime is a good time to Ooni.
That's right. You can Ooni on the weekend, Ooni after work, Ooni before work, Ooni after workout, Ooni before shower, Ooni after divorce, Ooni on first date, Ooni with friends, or Ooni yourself. And it's not just for a pizza. It is an oven for roasting vegetable, beautiful porchetta, or even make a wood-fired lasagna like they do at La Tavernaccia Roma.
And save yourself the plane ticket. Mi dispiace, because I know that before you know of the Ooni, you think, okay, my life not so bad, but maybe now you realize your life meaningless. That's okay, because today you can buy an Ooni and you can start to live. And that is a beautiful thing. Ciao.